Let's make these easy Christmas DIYs using paper. So I wanted to use this glitter card like stock paper, but I only had this piece left. And then you can see part of it, I had cut out the wording. But you can do this with those cones, like those styrofoam cones from Dollar Tree, with party hats. I've done them with party hats and stuff like that. But we're going to use cardstock paper for this one. So you can just cut the paper in half, and it's just a regular size paper, and then you can roll it the long way, because you see if you roll it the other way you'll get a shorter tree, but if you want a shorter tree, roll it that way, and then close it up. And then for the bottom, I'm not going to cut it off, I'm going to fold it up so that there's kind of a base for it. So I'm just folding it up so that there's kind of a flat base, but you can add a separate flat base if you're doing it with those foam cones from Dollar Tree. Then it will have a base to it, but I closed that up. And then I have these leftover doilies from Dollar Tree, and they came like a bunch in a pack. They were from Valentine's Day, and I thought the colors would be pretty. They do have the packs of the white, and they come in three sizes. They have those all year round. You can use those too. You can use actual doilies from like a thrift store if you have some at home. But I'm just going to glue those down to this just in a few spots. You want to be careful that you don't burn yourself, because there are a lot of holes in this. And then I'm just overlapping it and gluing that there on it. And then you'll have like a little Christmas tree. And then for the base, I wanted to use these flat ones, but I'm out of them. So I only had that one left. But I have these other wood stumps, but you can use whatever you feel like. You can use Jenga blocks if you wanted to for the stumps there, or you can go ahead with no stumps. And then Dollar Tree does sell little blocks of wood, but I have this scrap piece of wood, and I'm just going to give it a coat of this chestnut brown paint. You can do a stain on this. You can paint it a different color. You can water this down and then have like a stain-like look, but I'm going to paint around all the sides, the ends, all of that good stuff. I just gave it one coat. You can give it a little distressing and have like a little rustic look to it if you want to. Then I still don't have any Christmas signs, but this is like from a Thanksgiving sign. So they had these like little leather wordings. So I'm just going to reuse that and then put that on there, because blessed, you want to be blessed all year round. So I put that on there, and then I'm going to glue the little trees to there. You could add snow to this for an extra detail. You could add little snowmen. You could do a bunch of things. I added some little florals, and then this is how it came out.